In today's video, we'll be creating a simple to-do app in Python without using database and oops, which means it is beginner friendly. Here's a quick demo of it. So to make the console look colorful, I used term color module. You can install it using pip command and then you can import it. So first I created the main display in which I printed the main display of the app, and then I connected it into the main function, and then I took the input from the user and then connected the function of each choice. Like add to do was connected to the first choice, and then deleting and view to do was connected to their choice button. And then next I just started working on the individual functions of adding the to do. For example, I used the append function to add a to do into the list, and then I also did the validation check, which will be explained in the video later on. And then in the view to do, I used the enumerate function of Python to display the to display the tasks with their index number. And then to delete the to do, I used pop function to just exclude that specific index which the user will be selecting. So here's the validation check for deleting the to do. And in this validation check, if the user enters the index which is greater than the length of the list, then it will print the error message in red color, and then else it would execute the function properly. And next I used the validation check for view to do, that if there is not any task in the list, then it will print that there's no task due. Okay, so here's the complete testing of the app. That was it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, then tell me down in the comments. Thanks for watching.